The Home Depot. Let's go. And look at this. Oh boy. We got them. They're out. The monsters are out. Let's take a look. So here's the Plague Doctor. He is ginormous. Here he is. Here's the button. That is
cool. The pestilence is here. I can sense it.
So cool. I'm not really a big fan of the lights in his. Oh, okay. I'm not a fan of the lights on the jacket, but other than that, he's really cool. And here's this one. This one's really popular this year. This is the Fear Valley Wolf. Let's try him out. Wow, that is incredible, man. It snarls and everything. That's so cool. That is incredible. Really freaking cool. Oh, there's Murris Maple. That is awesome too. Yeah, Home Depot gets the win. And they don't have Chucky. You guys seen my unboxing of him. But there's his little display. So, oh, this is the Trickster trio. Oh, there they are. That's cool. Oh, they just bugged out, but that's pretty cool. And here's the vampire. Kind of looks like Nosferatu. That's probably what it was inspired by. That is awesome. That is cool. Really cool. Oh, look at this. I love that too, the pumpkin stack. $200 ain't bad either. That's really cool. And there they got a skull version too. That's really neat. And then I think this one's from last year. This is the Sinner of Souls. $100, can't beat it. That is cool. Then behind her is the Soul Slasher. He's got his Abe Lincoln hat on, I think. Yeah, here he is. Oh, he's pointing at me. That ain't good. That is not good. He's cool though. He's really cool. They're both cool. Then there's the infamous 12-foot skeleton with, I want to say, reptilian eyes. Is he part of the Illuminati? I don't know. But there he is. Then here's his puppy, his dog. The Skelly dog. Skelly's best friend. Which is a whopping $200. That's pretty sweet. Here is the, where is she? Oh, she's right there. The spellcasting witch.
The witching hour is here. And there's nothing to be afraid
That's
of.
sweet. That's really cool.
Except for me.
Oh, her hand jumps at you too. Okay, okay. That's pretty cool.
Now you come over here. I'm sure you taste much
That's nice.
better
And then here's
when you're
a cauldron.
afraid.
So this year, the difference with this cauldron this year, it's a little bit bigger, but they don't have it on a tripod. Every year they normally they make a new one that's on like a tripod. So, but this one's still cool. Look at the skulls. It's really neat. And then this is another one of my favorites this year. This is the Levitating Reaper. It's about 12 feet tall. It looks like he's floating, kind of like the witch they did a couple of years ago. But that is really sweet. Where's his button? Oh, right here. Check him out. Is it working? It's not work. Oh, there he goes. Oh man, that is so cool. You can change the color in his chest and his head. I think if I get him, I might just do it blue. because he's in my cemetery, and most of my cemetery lighting is blue, so it would work. Oh, someone left the Soul Slasher in the middle of the aisle here. Here's Frankenstein. And this is licensed from Boris Karloff's Frankenstein, so he's really neat. He's Servo too, which is awesome. So, and then so when this guy got revealed, the Jack of Spades, I wasn't big on him, but after seeing him, he's really cool. I like him. There he is.
Beer and fortune.
Oh, there he is, sipping his Jack Daniels.
Whiskey, cigars,
That's
and
great.
a deck of cards are all I
That's
need
funny.
to make your nightmares come
That is
true.
awesome.
Don't
Then
let
here's
my
a new
skeleton
gravedigger they
hear
got.
us.
He's got a little friend too.
I know how to play.
Try him
this
out.
game. The question Some folks get superstitious about digging up the dead. Well, I can't blame them.
Oh, I also forgot Marionette Witch. I think she's over there somewhere. We'll get to her though.
See, his job ain't all
But,
bad. He's working to make a tasty
That's
snack
cool
for
too.
later.
That is awesome. That's really cool. Here she is, Marionette Witch. Let's try her out. She's right there. It's kind of like Bobby Strings, but a smaller version. That's really cool. Why do I like that more than Bobby Strings? Sorry. So. Oh. Okay, so I didn't think this would happen, but they actually do have Chuckies. They just don't have them on display for some odd reason. They're probably just trying to sell it, but they have Chucky. So this is the Egg Harbor Township location. If you're looking for Chucky, there he is. But look at that guy. Whoa. Huh. But yeah, there's the Marionette Witch in box. They got all the boxes down here. The Jack of Spades, not the Victorian. I'm just gonna call him Nosferatu. Technically, it is. But the Victorian vampire, we'll stick to the name. And then here's Captain Cuts, which is over here. His head's kind of janked up, though. This is another thing I noticed. He's got a pirate symbol in his eye. Let's try him out. Oh, yeah. Yeah, he's cool. Oh, man, he's awesome. I might have to get him in the future, too. There he is right there. That is sweet. That is cool, man. It's got a little parrot, too. That's awesome. And then here is the... What was this guy's name again? He's like a skeleton headless horseman. Where's his price tag or his button? Oh, here it is. The Knight Dullahan. I think that's how you pronounce it. There he goes. That is sweet. That is really cool. Different too, very different. Here's one thing that Home Depot always gets right with the Halloween or the Tombstones. These are phenomenal. Like, look at this. That's like a real statue. That is really freaking cool. The angel statue. Oh man, I'm gonna have to get a couple of these too, man. That is so cool. Here is the other 1431 tombstone. That's just like a standard tombstone, but that's really cool. And here's a smaller one, but yeah, the tombstones this year are freaking great. And then here's a bigger one right here. This is the Whispering Tombstone. That is awesome. Look at that. That's so cool. Kind of like the Kiss of Death almost. That's really neat. So, Tony alert. They actually have the bat skeleton too. Look at that. Whoa. That's pretty cool. A couple of them actually. Then they have your basic skeleton. And then here is the Pitted skeleton. I think that's how you pronounce it. That is really cool. That's frightening. And then here is more of them. And then they got smaller stuff over here. They got inflatables and lights. And then pathway markers. They got Chucky and they got pumpkins too. That's awesome. And then up here is really cool. This is a gargoyle skeleton. That is freaking raw. I love that. And then behind him is the skeleton, the skull archway, which is really freaking cool. That is sweet. And they got more inflatables down there. And then that's pretty cool too. There's a bunny. That's sweet. Really cool. Saw the fogging animatronic accessories. So they have the eye kits for the 12-foot skeleton. I guess it's like, here are all the designs. Regular eyes, hard eyes, stars. I think that's fire. Hypnotizing eyes, reptilian eyes. I don't know what the heck that is, but that's cool. And then here's, you can light the chest up too, which is really cool, like a whole lighting kit. And then here's a step pad. They're selling step pads this year too at Home Depot, which are really cool. And then here is like a village store thing. It's like a smaller Home Depot. So, I like this. The raven on the cross. That's really freaking cool. It's like a blow mold. It's heavy. Jeez, that's sturdy. What the heck they put in that? Something. That is cool. Here's a little witch. Let's try her out. It's working? No. What with this one? Oh, there she goes. I love that. That's cool. That's sweet. And down here they got this. This is kind of uncanny. Skeleton bunny. It's a half bunny, half skeleton sort of deal. And they have a dinosaur. That's sick. And they have a cat. That's creepy. That is cool. Whoa, I'm hitting a box right here. Oh. So, look at this. Skeleton bunny. Aww. It's sad. It's okay, little guy. You're in Home Depot Halloween. It'll be alright. I'm still shocked about this. They have the Chuckies. That is really shocking. I thought they'd be sold out of those. And then a lot of people like these too. The mini skeleton and the mini Inferno. I have the 12-foot Inferno. I'm happy with that. But if you're a fan, hey, that's cool. And here's more blow molds. They got one down here too. But they got a dog, and this is a mouse. It's holding a candy corn and is dressed like a mummy. That's pretty cool. He just keeps going. And then here's a dog holding a trick-or-treat basket with a bone, a milk bone. That's pretty cool. Oh, look at these. Oh, sorry, buddy. Beetlejuice. Not working. Oogie Boogie. Oh. Okay. That's different. That's cool. Jack, Chucky, and a minion. So, Home Depot gets the dub. Home Depot gets the W. I mean, this is really cool. Really amazing. I wonder if they have the Reaper. I didn't see his box over here. Yeah, I didn't see it, but he's right here. So,
But every once in a while,
that's awesome. So, oh, they have floodlights too. Oh yeah, look at that. We need to get a couple of those too. Even though I'm stacked on lights, it never hurts to have more. Lighting is the key factor about a display, a haunted house, a haunt, anything really. Oh, look at this guy. Let's try him out. Oh, he just lights up. That's cool though. So, to the lighting, they actually have a smaller section right here with different spotlights and bulbs and timers and electrical stuff. Just in case you decorate big, Home Depot's got you hooked up. So, really cool. Guys, this is the Home Depot Halloween 2024. They hit a grand slam yet again. Subscribe for more.